Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we are making some carrot muffins, really good for you. If you're looking for a healthy muffin recipe, then you've just found it. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by clicking on the subscribe button. And also turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos come up. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and also share as well. Please do try out these muffins, they are truly good. And if you can't find the sunflower seeds, it's fine, you can still make it without that. Thank you. So for our carrot muffins, we'll be needing some grated carrot, vegetable oil, in this case I'm using canola oil, some sunflower seeds. We have this divided into two parts. This is slightly roasted and this is not. The roasted one will be going into the batter while the raw one will be sprinkled on top. But if you don't have the time to roast your sunflower seeds, you can use raw sunflower seeds, it will work well. Or you can also substitute some pecans or walnuts for your sunflower seeds. And mind you, this is completely optional. We'll be needing a little bit of rolled oats, some eggs, powdered jaggery. If you don't have powdered jaggery, brown sugar will work as well. Some unbleached flour. You can also use whole wheat pastry flour for this. Vanilla extract or essence depending on what you have, cinnamon powder, salt, baking soda, and a little bit of applesauce. And this is how I made my applesauce. It's actually very easy to make, just in case you want to use this and you can't lay your hands on this. So to make the applesauce, just peel and core a medium-sized apple, then cut into small chunks. Add your chunks into a small pot or saucepan and pour in some water to barely cover the apples. Place on the stove top and cook until it softens and becomes mushy. So I'm just going to mash down on this with my fork to give a smooth pulp. This also is optional, but it helps give some moisture to your muffins. So first things first, I'm going to sieve my flour, and I'm just going to pour my flour in here. I'll also be pouring my cinnamon, baking soda and salt as well. I'm going to give that a good sieve. So we have that all sifted out. So I'm just going to whisk this in to make sure it gives us a homogeneous mixture. And then I'll be adding on my rolled oats as well. And we're still mixing. Now we'll go ahead and start mixing our wet ingredients. So for our wet ingredients, the eggs go into the bowl. And then the powdered jaggery or sugar depending on what you're using. And we'll go ahead and whisk this either with a hand whisk or an electric mixer. So I'll just go ahead and whisk with the electric mixer. So we'll just mix until it's well combined. The applesauce goes in, the oil, vanilla essence or extract depending on what you have. Just going to give that a good mix as well. So we'll just mix until it's well combined for roughly about a minute. And now we'll be adding on our dry ingredients. So I'm just going to add on the flour. Then I'll be using my spatula to mix and to combine. So that's what our batter looks like by the time we are done combining. And the next thing that will be going in at this stage is the carrots. The carrots go in. Of course, the roasted sunflower seeds go in as well. So we're just going to give this a good mix too, folding it in gently. So I just finished folding in, and that's exactly what our batter looks like. Right here I have a muffin pan that has already been lined. I'll start scooping in our batter into this. So we just finished scooping on the batter onto the muffin tins, and as you can notice, I've started sprinkling on the sunflower seeds on the surface, just as easy as that. So I'm just going to go ahead and place this in the oven, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like by the time it's cooked. So I just got my muffins out of the oven now, and you can see how beautiful it looks. I've just taken it out of the pan. It tastes really good and really nutritious for you. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on this. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also turn on your notification buttons so that you can be notified whenever new recipes come up. Please do give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to share as well. Thank you.